Good morning. Hello, my name is Alejandra Castillo. I am 33 years old. I have children. I live in the Bogota city with my son and my husband. In the actuality world, in the new it's there I perform as account analyst. My life project is basically the following. Short term. In 2 years, I will have finished my studies and I could enter the university again and pursue and master a degree group. After that, and I will be the warrior professional. I look for my stability life, family, mental, and professional. And later, I will achieve my objectives personals. I know that will make it. I am sure I will can meet all my goals if I study. I will be able. I do everything. It prepared with the time accurate. Medium term. If I do as planned, I will have a higher economic income and I will be house be for my family. It will be happy. I will acquire pay post bear in my job. After that, it will grow company with my sister. We were strong. This will be profitable. Long term. I think for 2027, I will be a businesswoman, right? I will be a job important then my dreams will have come true. The more important in my life is my family. We will approve of me and above all the most important things in that I will can be a go example for my children. Finally, I permeated everything go according to plan. So Tan will be have a life of Japanese and together. Thanks.